Good morning, everyone. It's Candy here. I would like to show you how I made my 3/4 designs design team project for November. It is a 6x6 folio, and I've used the Dadz Life 6x6 pack. It comes with 12 single-sided papers, and you also get a sheet with all these cut aparts in, and a sheet with just like little phrases and that on. So I've cut all those off, and I really had to put my brain into gear because I didn't have a lot of papers. So, and this is what I've come up with. It's a 6x6 folio, and it ties at the side. And what I did was, I'll show you later how I made the base, but I'll just run through this at the moment. So the pattern paper it's 6x6, so it fits. Actually, sorry, I tell a lie. Yes, it is. It's 6x6 inches, and this piece on the front, the blue cardstock, is 4 4¼ and the piece of pattern paper measures just over 4 inches. 4 1/8 it is. So, and they're put on, the pattern paper's put on flat onto your cardstock, and then I've raised it up with some foam underneath. This is out of your chipboard. The chipboard, I had some scraps, and I used, it is a Tim Holtz Sizzix die, mechanical, and I cut out this one here, that one, and that one. No, sorry, that one there, that one there, and this one here. So those three there, I cut out a chipboard, and then I used some enamel silver fox on it, embossing powder, and that's from Shimmer's Paints. It's really old, so, but then it's come up like that. And then these are uniquely creative embellishments, metal cogs, and these are some buttons, and I've just metal buttons, and I just cut the little thing off the back and glued them down straight. So, and this is out of my stash, and this is one of the cut apart little cars. So, and on the front here I have put an eyelet in, a fairly big eyelet, and I've used seam binding, and I've sort of put it underneath here, and it wraps all the way around the back, and then ties just like that. So, okay, so that's the front. The next page is, this here is a flap, and that flap measures, it's 6x6 with a 1/2 inch, or it's 6½ when you cut it out, and then you score it, and like this here. So that's what you cut out. You cut a piece that is 6½ by 6 inches, then score it at 1/2 inch, and that gives you the piece to put on there like that. And then you decorate it with your pattern papers. So this pattern paper it's 5 7/8 by 5 7/8. You see a little bit of the white coming through. This is just a scrap from, I did all this after, so I had scraps and bits and pieces. So these three are from the cut apart sheet. I also made 3 tags just using some of my scrap cardstock, and these are from the cut aparts as well. And it's a little pocket, and I've just added some string and some seam binding. Then this is the flip up piece, and on here the blue is 5 7/8 by 5 7/8, and the white is 5½ by 5½. So that's on there, and this piece here is 5 7/8. This pocket in the blue is 3, not quite 3, probably, I'd say approximately 2 7/8 by 5 3/4. So that's the base, and then this pattern piece is 5½ by 2 3/4 roundabout, and then I've just glued underneath those 3 spots there and glued it on and made the pocket. And then I've got some more. These are just made from scraps that I had laying around in my scrap box. So, and also put string and seam binding on them. So that's that piece. And this piece is the same. It's 5 7/8. The white is like for a photo, if you want to put a photo on or journal on it. It's 3 1/4 by 5 1/8. So you can put 2 small photos. This one I made a little tuck spot, so you can slide your photo down there, or some ephemera or something, whatever you would like. Now in the middle you have a pocket. So this piece, the tag, measures 5 by 5, and the white piece measures 4 1/2 by 4 7/8. So, and then this piece is, I had 2 of those. They're like a button. It's got white on both sides, and I glued them on. I put this one on that side, then that one on that side, and I've inked around everything before I put the white cardstock on for the base. So I'll leave that out. So the next page is, it's got a belly band. So this is 5 7/8 by 5 7/8. Your belly band measures, it is 2 5 8 by 5 3/4. So that's the blue. This wood grain is 2 1/4 by 5 3/8, and that piece there's come from your cutter parts. And the little piece, it's for a photo or for your journaling, whatever you would like to use. That is 4 1/16 by 5, and the white is 4 7/8 by 4 7/8 that way, and 3 7/8 that way. So, and you can make that whatever size. You could go smaller, so you could put photos on there or journaling. Now this page, this is a pocket. No, it's not a pocket, sorry, I glued it down. It was going to be a pocket and I glued it down by accident. So this measures, the blue is 5 7/8 by 5 7/8. This piece here measures, now this, as I said, this is made out of scrap, so it's 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it's 1 6/8 by 5 3/4. And these two are pieces from your cut apart sheets. Your white is, I think I cut it 4 and I sort of tucked it down under 4 by 5, so you could put a photo on that. Then you have a flip out like that, and this piece here, this is 5 7/8 again, and this white is 5 1/2 by 5 1/2. So then again, you could put photos or anything on there. Now on this page here, I've got another two tags, and this pocket, it measures 5 1/2 by 3, and then your pattern piece measures 5 1/4 by 2 3/4. And once again, they're just out of scrap pieces of cardstock and pieces of paper, strips of pieces cut off. Okay, so that's it there. And on the back, I've used one of the plainer pieces, and that also is 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. So that's the folio, and I'll show you how to make the I'll clear everything out the way. So you get yourself a piece of white cardstock, okay, that measures 12 by 12 inches. On your scorer, you put it in your scorer and you score at 6, then turn it again and score at 6. Then on one side, you cut up the score line to the middle point, and then you crease, give it all a good creasing, burnish it all. Okay, and then you fold it so that's, you've got, this is the well, I've got a pattern on my paper, but you fold this piece up and this piece up, then fold it in like that. So that creates, oh, you turn it over. That, have I done it right? No. That way. No, that way. I'll get it right yet. So this, so I'll do that again. I've just confused you all. So, okay, you put the cut line on the side, on your left side. Okay, you fold that in and give it a good crease. You fold that in and give it a good crease. Then you fold it like that together, and then you will have, oh, got it again, this way. It is confusing. It is, this confuses me every time. Okay, right, so you've got, you fold that in like that and that piece in like that, then you fold it down, and then you will have, you turn him over. So you've got, that's the crease there, so you turn it over like that. So that now will give you an opening there. You'll glue up here or tape up here and up this side. That will give you your middle pocket, and then you'll have this page here. And your first flip will go, remember it's 6 by 6 with a 1/2 inch, so it's 6.5 by 6. This one will glue onto there like that, and it'll glue down. Then you go to your last page and you do the opposite. It goes to the side like that, and then in like that. But these pockets, you could go anyway. You could make it a flip down or a flip up, or flip out like I have. So I hope I haven't confused you. So there we go. Okay, everyone, thank you. Thank you for visiting my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye, everyone.